Hello, in front of me I have new Balance RunIQ, and I'm gonna show you how to connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network and disconnect it from the Wi-Fi network. Okay, first thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by tapping on the screen or pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the Wi-Fi option and tap on it. Now, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled. Basically, find this option called Wi-Fi right here, and it should say automatic. If it says off, tap on it and enable it. Once you enable the Wi-Fi, you should see the list of networks right here at the top, and you can connect to them, or also if you are connected already to some, it will say connected. If you're not, you will have the list of Wi-Fis available near you, and you can tap on one. For example, this one. Then you need to grab your phone, the phone that is paired with your watch. And once you have your phone, you can tap on open on phone. It should bring the password menu basically for the network, so we can enter the password. Give me a second, I'm gonna enter it. And once you enter the password, you can tap on connect. And as you can see, now it's connected. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network. And how to disconnect, it's quite simple. Basically, you open this Wi-Fi menu, scroll down, find the option called Save Networks, tap on it, and you have a list of networks that you're connected to, and you have them saved on your watch. And to, for example, disconnect from one, you can tap on this X button next to one, like that, and then tap checkmark to confirm to forget the network and disconnect from it, like this. Okay, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.